In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a group in AutoCAD quickly and easily. This is a super useful workflow when you already have grouped objects and you want to add new items, remove existing ones, or adjust the group without starting over. Whether you're organizing drawings, cleaning up selections, or making your drafting process faster, knowing how to edit a group can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is the fastest and most direct one. Start by typing GROUPEDIT into the AutoCAD command line, then press enter. Once the command is active, AutoCAD will ask you to select the group you want to edit. Click the group in your drawing, then press enter again to confirm your selection. After that, AutoCAD will give you options for how you want to change the group. If you want to add objects to the group, choose the Add Objects option. Then select the new objects you want to include in the group. You can click them one by one or use a selection window if that's easier for your drawing. When you've selected everything you want to add, press enter to complete that part of the process. If instead you want to remove items from the group, choose the Remove Objects option. Then select the objects you want to take out of the group. Again, you can click directly on the objects or use a selection method that works best for you. After you've made your selections, press enter to confirm the removal. Once you've finished adding or removing objects, press enter one more time to complete the command and exit the group editing mode. At that point, your group will be updated with the new changes and you can continue working in your drawing as normal. Now let's look at the alternative method in case you want to manage groups from the group creation and editing dialog. Type group and press enter. This opens the group dialog box where you can manage existing groups more visually. From the list, select the group name you want to modify. This is helpful if you're working with multiple groups and want to make sure you're editing the correct one. Inside the dialog, you'll see options such as selectable, add, and remove. The selectable option controls whether the group can be selected as a single unit. If you want to change the group members, use add to include more objects or remove to take objects out of the group. This method is useful when you prefer working with dialog boxes instead of command line prompts. After making your changes, click OK to apply everything. AutoCAD will update the group based on the options you selected. That's all there is to it. Whether you use GROUPEDIT for a faster command line workflow or group for a more visual method, editing groups in AutoCAD is simple once you know where to look. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.